Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A4 Avant S-Line finished in the modern turbo blue paintwork. This 2021 model features a 35 TFSI engine with 150 horsepower and manual transmission, delivering impressive fuel efficiency. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, aluminium roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A4 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with front and rear parking cameras that make up a 360-degree view of your vehicle for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 495-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to pull-down armrests and rear climate control. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driver modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing and 360-degree camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features 2 cup holders, a gear stick, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment with an additional USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.